Hey y'all, it's Antoinette, aka Red Lotus Chick, and today I'm going to be talking about the three mindset shifts that changed everything for me when it came to investing in tax defaulted properties. I know a lot of people want to get into the space of investing in tax defaulted properties, and they may not think that there is a lot of value in investing in tax defaulted properties, but I'm here to tell you that you can throw all of that out of the window, and I'm going to give you the three big mindset shifts that changed my perspective and really changed my business. So before we get into it, make sure that you subscribe and you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing. So the first mindset shift that I had was seeing opportunity in distressed properties. If you're going into tax sales, a lot of tax defaulted properties are distressed properties. So if you want to do sexy real estate, you may miss out on the opportunity to see profitability in some of these deals. A lot of times in tax sales, people are competing to buy the houses. But another thing that really shifted my mindset and my business is seeing opportunity in land. So 70% of all tax defaulted properties is land. And while everybody was like competing for the houses, I had less competition when it came to buying and selling land. And it created just like this really niche strategy where I was able to have low capital. Let's be real, I didn't have a lot of money to start with. So I was able to have low capital and get started with investing in real estate. And I was still able to see huge returns on my investment because I took the strategy of investing in land. So seeing opportunity in distressed property and recognizing opportunity is one of the key things that shifted my mindset and shifted my business as a real estate investor. Now, the second thing that shifted my mindset was patience in the due diligence phase. A lot of times people get into real estate investing, myself included, and we want everything to go fast. We're like, I'm ready to make my first deal. I'm ready for this. I'm ready to make the big bucks. But the patience part in the due diligence can be the difference between finding a lien that can kill the equity in a deal and or finding that diamond in the rough that maybe everyone else assumes is not worth it, but you're able to find just that gem and you're able to get the profit on that deal. I always say that the money is in the problem solving. So I always tell this story about how I found this parcel of land and it was coded as wasteland, but it wasn't actually wasteland. And I was able to pick it up for just the opening bid. No one else bid against me. And I was able to take advantage of selling it for near market price, which gave me huge returns on my investment. Like it was one of my biggest deals to date. And it was one of the cheapest properties that I had ever purchased. Patience in the due diligence phase. Big one. Understanding that repetition is key is really going to help you to enjoy the journey because as you're doing the due diligence, when you first start off, it might take you a little longer, but the longer you do it, that repetition is going to get sealed into your memory and it's going to become like second nature to you. So yeah, the second mindset shift, patience in the due diligence phase. The third mindset shift was thinking like an investor. Sometimes we get into these deals or we may look at a property and think, I wouldn't live there. I don't like that house because I don't like this area because, but it's not about you. It's about the deal. So learning how to not be emotionally tied to these deals, whether I was looking at them before the auction or after, like really 10x my game. Because number one, again, going back to seeing opportunity, I was able to look at the deals objectively. And then the second thing is I wasn't passing over opportunities because, hey, I wouldn't live in that house. Hey, I wouldn't live in that neighborhood. Somebody has to live there, right? So you got to think like an investor. And then when you are in the auction and emotions get high, you want to put on that investor hat because bidding wars can happen easily. So you want to keep that cap on and make sure that you're not overbidding. So really shifting my mindset to that of an investor helped me to make better decisions, which in turn helped me to make more money as a real estate investor. So there you have it, guys. Those are my three mindset shifts that really helped to change my perspective on investing in tax defaulted properties and change my perspective when it came to my business and becoming a full-time real estate investor. For those of you that don't know, I made 6 figures within 12 months of investing in tax defaulted properties, and you can absolutely do the same. If you guys want to connect with me, be sure to click the link below to join my community. And again, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I will be releasing more videos because they tried to take down TikTok and I didn't like it. I don't like the rug pull feel. So we're coming over to YouTube and I will be posting more long form content here for you guys. So I will see you on the next video. Bye.